FreightAmigo, learn how to stick tracking label now. Place the order and complete payment on the platform. Click Download Label after payment. You can receive shipment documents instantly. Shipment documents will be sent to your email. Alternatively, you can download it in My Shipment. Important reminder: print the whole document single side. Place documents into plastic holder. Before sticking to the shipment, barcode always face upwards. Seal 3 sides of the plastic bag and stick to the shipment, right, left, and bottom side respectively. Avoid to seal the upper sides for courier checking. For documents, for parcel. Done! Courier will come and pick up at the selected time and date. FreightAmigo combines fintech and freight tech, a one-stop supply chain finance e-marketplace pioneer in Asia.